Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Inside the currency market EUR USD vs USD and correlations. http ntvforex.com news ID 90CFD0 7/20/2020 12:15 am. An explanation to EUR USD exorbitant 265 pip rise in 3 weeks from 1.1186 to 1.1451 is partly due to USD. USD JPY failed to participate to meaningful trading over the past 3 weeks because it doesn't have ability to move. The result is a severe price compression to USD JPY as moving averages are contracting against current prices and forcing day by day, tighter and tighter ranges. Tighter ranges normally warrants a terrific breakout, but not when prices and averages compress alongside ranges. USD 106 Japanese yen S becomes deeply oversold while 107.56 must break to target overbought at low 108.00 S. Longer term, 106.00 S represents a multi-year bottom and the only average to hold USD JPY from a drop to 102.00 S. Shorter term, USD JPY faces massive resistance at 108.73 and 108.95. Both points won't trade anytime soon as USD JPY hits the extremes at low to middle 108.00 S. USD JPY is just plain stuck and a viable trade doesn't exist. USD CHF across the board at 0.9700 S. Longer term represents not only massive resistance but high 0.9600 S achieves extreme overbought status. To move higher, 0.9524 must break, but USD CHF lacks ability to trade much higher, nor can current prices hold above 0.9500 S. Overall range becomes 0.9300 S to 0.9500 S and 0.9600 S, barely a 300 pips range from upper and lower extremes. USD CHF at current 0.9383 is deeply oversold and the best target for the week is 0.9485. At 0.9485 places EUR USD at 1.1322 and about a 100 pip trade for long USD CHF and short EUR USD. The confirmation to USD JPY and the same USD complement pair is CHF JPY, and at current 114.0 S sits at deep overbought. CHF JPY lacks its normal compliance to USD JPY and at 114 S and overbought, lacks agreement to oversold USD CHF. CHF JPY is a trending currency pair historically, but only tight ranges currently exist. The explanation to off-kilter as USD is CHF JPY at overbought correlates to EUR USD at 96%. CHF JPY bolted from its normal USD roots to trade as EUR USD. Current EUR USD at overbought 1.1400 S and overbought CHF JPY results in a double trade short for the week. CHF JPY trades above massive supports at 111.73 and 112.02 and both hold CHF JPY from a fall to 109.00 S and 107.00 S. Longer term, 110.00 S represents price extremes, which says 109.00 S and 107.00 S won't trade anytime soon. Shorter term, CHF JPY middle 114.00 S becomes deeply overbought vs oversold at middle 111.00 S, and again like USD CHF, barely a 300 pip range. Only a break of 112.96 targets 111.00 S and complements to EUR USD break for lower at 1.1218. Wide rangers GBP NZD, EUR NZD, EUR AUD, and GBP AUD lack significant correlations to underlying GBP USD, EUR USD and to AUD. All experienced dramatic drops over the past 3 weeks. The drop coincided to falls in USD, which means wide-range currency pairs transformed from correlation and association to underlying to track and correlate to USD. GBP NZD, for example, correlates 98% to EUR USD and 86% to USD JPY, 98% to USD CHF and 98% to CHF JPY and 39% to USD CAD. Further confirmation to short EUR USD and CHF JPY is revealed by correlations as opposites to USD. More significant to determine GBP NZD rises alongside USD. EUR NZD as well transformed as USD by correlations to 83% vs USD CAD, 86% to USD CHF, 39% to USD JPY and 83% to CHF JPY. Wide rangers as USD rises when USD trades higher. GBP USD's universe then includes only GBP USD, GBP CHF, and GBP JPY, while GBP CAD lacks direction and proper correlations to either fully GBP USD or USD CAD. GBP USD overall is located inside a large neutral zone and will trade to either high 1.2400s or high 1.2600s. GBP AUD is no different as correlations runs 91% to USD JPY, 97% to USD CHF, 26% to USD CAD and 93% to CHF JPY. GBP AUD is currently a USD pair. EUR AUD correlations 93% to USD CHF, 81% v USD JPY, 44% v USD CAD and 93% to CHF JPY. A total of at least 7 currency pairs as USD or straight USD dropped over 3 weeks against EUR USD and EUR USD in week 3 traded to and remains today at the start of the week in Richter scale overbought. USD is the driver rather than EUR USD on its own, as it's rare when EUR USD trades to such extremes and sustains itself. The shining light to USD is the old reliable USD CAD, as USD CAD was born with wide range movements and is always the best of the USD trades compared to USD CHF, USD JPY, and CHF JPY. Upon a EUR USD correction, best trades this week are wide rangers, GBP NZD, GBP AUD, EUR NZD, and EUR AUD. While EUR USD is the main focus, AUD USD and NZD USD remain and trades in light years overbought. The difference between EUR USD currency pairs is AUD and NZD pairs in the universe are running on all cylinders. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.